In this video, we're going to explore the best SEO tools that can help take your website's performance to the next level. Whether you're a beginner trying to figure out keyword research or an experienced marketer looking for advanced analytics, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which tool fits your needs and budget. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer, some links in the description are affiliate links. This means I may earn a small commission if you make a purchase through them at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Now, let's jump right in. What is an SEO tool? Let's quickly define what we are talking about here. An SEO tool is a software designed to enhance various aspects of your search engine optimization efforts. These tools are capable of analyzing search data, automating reporting, providing AI-powered content recommendations, and assessing website performance. They come in different categories tailored to specific purposes. SEO audit tools focus on analyzing your website's performance and identifying potential issues. Keyword research tools help discover and analyze keywords to target in your content strategy. Rank trackers monitor how well your web pages perform for specific keywords over time. All-in-one tools combine a comprehensive suite of SEO features into a single platform. Now, with that foundation in mind, let's dive into the top 5 SEO tools, starting with one of the most popular options. Semrush, the best SEO tool for rank tracking. When it comes to rank tracking and overall SEO performance monitoring, Semrush is the go-to tool for many professionals. It's an industry leader, and for a good reason. Semrush provides a highly detailed dashboard that displays metrics like keyword rankings, backlinks, domain authority, and organic traffic. One of its standout features is the position tracking tool, which allows you to monitor your website's performance for specific keywords in real time. This tool is customizable, so you can get updates on rankings that matter most to your strategy. Beyond rank tracking, Semrush shines with its keyword gap and backlink gap tools. These features let you analyze competitors to find missed keyword opportunities and backlink prospects. For example, you can discover which sites are linking to your competitors and strategize how to secure similar links. While Semrush is a premium tool starting at $139.95 per month, it's packed with features that make it worth the investments, especially for agencies and experienced marketers. Number 2, seoClarity, the best all-in-one SEO tool. Now, if you're looking for a tool that can do it all, seoClarity is one of the most comprehensive platforms available. It combines rank tracking, keyword research, competitor analysis, and content optimization into a single suite. One of seoClarity's standout features is its AI assistant, Sia, which helps you create optimized content. For example, Sia can generate blog post outlines, meta descriptions, and even full articles based on keyword data. This is perfect for scaling your content production while ensuring it's SEO friendly. seoClarity also includes advanced tools for on-page diagnostics, search trend insights, and traffic potential projections. While its starting price of $2,500 per month puts it out of reach for smaller businesses, it's ideal for enterprises and agencies managing multiple sites. Number 3, Surfer, the best SEO tool for AI integration. But if you're focused on AI-driven optimization, Surfer is a powerful choice. It's primarily an SEO audit tool, but it excels in content creation and keyword research. Surfer's content editor allows you to generate, optimize, and score content in real time. It uses AI to suggest related terms, headings, and structure, helping you create SEO-friendly articles with ease. The tool even integrates directly with WordPress, streamlining the publishing process. Surfer also includes a SERP analyzer, which provides insights into how competitors rank. This feature uses interactive charts to compare word count, keyword density, and backlinks for the top ranking pages. Surfer's pricing starts at $79 per month. While its AI capabilities are impressive, they're limited by article credits, which might not suit high-volume users. Number 4, Mangools, the best SEO tool for beginners. For beginners intimidated by the complexity of advanced tools, Mangools offers a simple yet effective solution. Its intuitive interface makes SEO accessible without compromising on data quality. Mangools includes 5 tools. Keyword Finder, for keyword research with insights into search volume, difficulty, and long-tail suggestions. SERP Checker, to evaluate keyword competition and analyze ranking pages. SERP Watcher, to track how your site's rankings change over time. Link Miner, for backlink analysis. Site Profiler, to access website authority and trust metrics. What sets Mangools apart is its beginner-friendly design. The metrics are easy to understand and the learning curve is gentle. However, the lower tier plans have daily search limits and the tool lacks some advanced features found in more expensive options. Pricing starts at $49 per month, making it a great entry-level choice. Number 5, Ahrefs, the best SEO tool for competitor research. If you're focused on analyzing your competitors, Ahrefs is one of the best tools on the market. It's similar to Semrush, but slightly more affordable, starting at $129 per month. Ahrefs excels at keyword research and backlink analysis. Its content gap tool allows you to identify keywords your competitors rank for that you don't. It also provides insights into which SERP features like image packs or featured snippets your competitors are winning. The link intersect tool is another standout feature. It shows you which domains are linking to your competitors but not to your site, giving you actionable opportunities for outreach. While Ahrefs is primarily a rank tracker, it's packed with features for competitor analysis, making it an invaluable tool for businesses focused on staying ahead of the competition. Other noteworthy SEO tools expand your options beyond the top 5 mentioned earlier, offering specialized features for various needs. SEO Optimer is a standout for SEO audits, delivering actionable recommendations to improve website performance while also being budget-friendly. Then, Rankability focuses on creating AI-driven NLP-optimized content briefs and outlines, making it a great fit for content marketing teams. Another is ChatGPT. While primarily known for its conversational capabilities, proves versatile for tasks like data analysis, content ideation, and keyword research. Lastly, the detailed browser extension provides quick insights into page titles, meta descriptions, and headlines. A handy lightweight tool for on-the-go SEO analysis, though not a comprehensive solution. So, selecting the right SEO tool comes down to your specific priorities. For rank tracking and performance monitoring, Semrush or Ahrefs are reliable choices. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution and have the budget, seoClarity delivers exceptional results. Beginners or those seeking simplicity will appreciate Mangools, while Surfer is the go-to for AI-powered content optimization. For quick and actionable diagnostics, SEO Optimer stands as a dependable option. Now, choosing the right SEO tool can feel like a lot with so many options out there, but hopefully this video has made it easier to understand which tools are the best fit for you. If you're still on the fence, don't worry. Most of these tools offer free trials or demos, so you can try them out and see what works best for you. I've also included links in the description of this video for more details and some discounts, including one for Semrush, which is one of the best all-in-one SEO platforms out there. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.